The Jamaica Civil Service Association sports competitions concluded recently with Jamaica Customs emerging champions in both football and netball, while Post and Telecommunications Department took the domino competition. Jeremy Brown reports.
Following 3 months of the Jamaica Civil Service Association sports competitions, champions were recently crowned in football, netball and domino. In the football competition, Jamaica Customs emerged victorious after outscoring Bustamante Hospital 4-2 in the final. Coach of Jamaica Customs, Calvert Fitzgerald, says his team found their groove late in the contest.
In the second half, then we definitely played some better football, even though the win was against us. We played more passes, we defended better, and we scored 2 more goals. So it was a good victory. It was a tough victory, but quite comfortable in the end by 4-2. But we had to fight all the way for it.
In the netball competition, Jamaica Customs also took top honors after getting past Tax Administration of Jamaica 43-39 in the final. Captain of Jamaica Customs, Raquel Neath, says they never thought of losing, although withstanding late pressure from Tax Administration.
I have faith in my team. We practiced together. We knew what we had to do, even if it came down to that. We know TVJ is an excellent team. However, we just stick to the game plan and we came out victorious today.
Over in the domino competition, it was a thrilling finale with the Post and Telecommunications Department and Ministry of Education, Skills, Youth and Information battling to a 58-all tie at regulation time before Post and Telecommunications prevailed in overtime. Captain of the Post and Telecommunications Department, Alvin Harris, described their victory as an emotional one.
We were so focused on winning. It's nothing different. We have been practicing for weeks now, for today. And to know that we lost a team member early this year, and we were just so focused in coming here and delivering for this gentleman that we lost. And we have been knocking on the door. Last year we were 3rd. The year before that we were 2nd, so we were knocking. And today we just came in and we just said enough knocking, we are kicking off the door tonight.
Meanwhile, over 26 teams took part across the different sporting disciplines, which also included basketball. President of the Jamaica Civil Service Association, Tisha Clark Griffiths, says there was an added
very, very important to me because it's the first time that we will have cash prizes for our 1st, 2nd and 3rd place winners in all the different competitions. And so we are also making sure that we have camaraderie among ministries, departments and agencies, as well as to ensure that the ministries participate in sporting competition for their own mental health, physical health and so on. So we pride ourselves in health and education as well as wellness. And of course, Justiceira Park is our sports club where all the sporting competition takes place.
In the meantime, cricket will be added to the competitions next year.